You no go believe this opposite world move you. Everything where you sabi just flip anyhow. Like, today you go dey happy. Next minute, while I don't land you. This one dey shake mind small small oh. E dey make you dey reason, chai, na wetin be this life sef? Luchy Donalds, na wow, her acting dey ginger you well well. You go feel am for the way she dey try survive for this kind world wey no get sense. TIMINI EGBUSON sef omo, e dey burst brain with him style. Comedy dey, drama dey, everything dey balance. You go dey laugh 1 minute, next minute you dey reason. And Nancy him, she con dey calm your mind sometimes with how she dey act. You go just dey look your screen dey wonder, aha, see as life fit be like this. The movie no just dey entertain you, e dey make you dey reason your own moves for life. How small things fit turn your world upside down. You fit dey laugh, you fit dey sigh small, you go dey think about choices wey you dey make. I swear, if you like movie wey get comedy, gbege, small wahala, and even moments wey go make brain dey work, this opposite world na film you suppose run go watch. No dull yourself oh, e go ginger your mind, e go make you dey reason, and you go enjoy every second of am.